Hey, I just wanted to do a quick rundown of the alphabet in sign language for American Sign anyway, ASL. Um, so this is how I remember it. So here's your A, and it's kind of like if you were to draw a circle around your fist and then up to here, and then there's your A. B is much the same, you know what I mean? The B with this would be like I guess the circle. C, pretty self-explanatory. D, kind of the same idea. It's kind of making the shape of a D, so to say. E is a little more complicated, but if you went around the knuckles and then down the thumb, you kind of got your E. F is a little strange, I guess. I mean, I guess you got three fingers for the three sticks of F. Um, kind of hard to remember that one in a specific way, but I will say that this is also 9, so if you want to say 9, you'll shake it a bit, but I'll get to numbers in another video. Um, then you've got G, which some will actually do the hand motion, but this is basically G, and I think of this as like, the actual little stick of the G, you know what I mean, if it was a capital G. H is kind of like, I guess, if the horizontal stick of the H, I guess, if you want to say. I, which, kind of resembles an I. And then J, which is, I guess, the hook of the J going onto the I, basically, right? So just a hook, right? K, which somewhat resembles a K, I guess, the top half of a K. Uh, L, yeah, pretty self-explanatory. So M can sometimes be bent over, or sometimes you'll see it straight, but kind of looks like an M, I suppose, N is basically one finger less, which I guess I guess you can kind of consider it an N, sort of, you know, and O, pretty self-explanatory. P is kind of like K, but upside down. That one, I don't know what to tell you. I guess just upside down K, if that helps you. I don't know. K, M, N, O, P. Q is kind of like this. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, like the circle, and then for some odd reason there's, I guess you could go like that, but yeah, it's pretty much a Q. R is another one of those hard to really explain, but that's an R. S is kind of like if you were making a fist, I guess, you know, which I guess another one that you'll just kind of have to, I don't know, imagine a bit. That's how I kind of accurate. T, you know what I mean? It's just your thumb between your first two fingers, which I guess this could be the stick, and if you go by the knuckles, kind of makes a T. U is pretty self-explanatory, basically. V is the same thing. W, basically self-explanatory. Um, X is like this. You're pretty much making the pirate hook, that's your X. Y, another pretty self-explanatory one. And then Z or Z, you're pretty much just making the shape of a Z with your pointer finger. And that's the ASL alphabet.